Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time, please like, comment, and share. Today we'll be making apapa, the Ibira people's delicacy. This is what we're talking about. It is so delicious. Let's get cooking. We are going to be adding 4 cups of beans into a bowl of clean water. The beans I'm talking about will be picked. You have to pick the dirt out of it and soak it inside water for about an hour until the beans is soft, ready to be grounded. This is also like the normal moi moi we know, but this is different because we're not going to be peeling the back. Yes, we won't pick the back. So now the beans is soft and ready to be grounded. So we'll be pouring the water away. We'll pour the water and add pepper and onions. Yes, just pepper and onions. This delicacy doesn't need too much processes. You just add the pepper and onions and that's all. That is the local way our forefathers used to make it. So I'm not going to add in any extra. I can add crayfish if I want, but no, I just want to make it the way our forefathers did it. Now the beans is grounded. We don't grind these beans to be so soft like moi moi. We grind it to a certain level. It won't be so smooth, but you grind it until it is almost smooth. You will make it smooth. We are going to be adding potash to it. So we'll put the potash in water and mix. That is grounded potash in water and mix it so that it will be soft. The potash makes the apapa soft, so we'll be adding it to it. Then we're going to add our seasoning. I have Maggi here. I think about 5 cubes of Maggi and 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Yeah, so I'll mix it. I'm going to mix it slowly, not very fast, because I don't want it breaking. So I'm going to be adding red oil. You're going to add red oil to your taste. This red oil you see, that is the palm oil you see here, gives it another taste. This is the local way our forefather used to prepare it. So it is so delicious, it is nutritious. You can see that it is highly nutritious. The red oil, if you add enough red oil, it will be so delicious. So I'll add my red oil and turn it. I'm going to turn it until all the ingredients are well incorporated. Now it is ready. I'm putting it in a nylon bag because I don't have the leaf, the moi moi leaf. Yes, you can use either nylon or moi moi leaf. Since I don't have moi moi leaf, I'll be making use of the nylon bag. Wow, this is it. This is the okumetete, the smallest part of the moi moi. The remaining piece of the moi moi is known as okumetete. The moi moi is ready to be served. As you can see, I'm going to serve the moi moi. This moi moi, you can serve it. The apapa will be served with pap. You can serve it with pap, gari, or custard. For breakfast, I usually take it with pap. For lunch, I take it with our gari. Let me have a taste. You can see it's so soft and breaking. You can see it's breaking because of the potash. The potash is making it so soft. Yeah, this is our apapa, the ebira people indigenous meal. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. I love you all. Please do come back another day. Thank you.